Hi everyone, today let us study our environment. The place where we live, we grow, develop and survive, that makes the environment. All the living things and the non-living things are present in the environment. We should keep our environment healthy and clean. If a surrounding is unclean and damaged, it will directly or indirectly affect all the living things. We know that many of us adding waste to the environment that affects our surroundings and make it unhealthy and damage the environment. Today let us study more about waste. What is the meaning of waste? The useless things and unwanted materials that is discarded by humans is called as waste. There are various ways and the places where waste is produced, such as homes, office, industries, markets, schools, etc. Waste is also added as we often buy things which are not required or we buy more than we require. Wastes are classified into three types, that is liquid waste, gaseous waste and solid waste. Let us study one by one, that is liquid waste. We can see many of the liquid wastes coming from the industries and the homes. This liquid waste, such as domestic sewage and chemical discharge given out from factories. For some example of liquid waste, this liquid waste is polluting the water. There is a pollution of water is going on by the liquid waste. Gaseous wastes. These are produced by the vehicles and the industries, and there is a pollution of air by the gaseous waste. Solid wastes. We can see the solid waste in our homes, schools, industries and agriculture fields. The waste which is produced in our homes, commonly called as garbage. We can see the fruits and vegetable peels and metallic items and the plastic bags. These are the example. We can see the waste in our homes. This solid waste is divided into two types, that is biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Let us study one by one. What is biodegradable waste? The waste that rots and decomposes naturally over a period of time is called biodegradable waste. It may consist of organic waste which is broken down into a similar particles by the action of decomposer. We can see the examples like vegetable waste and fruits peels, papers, dry leaves, eggshells, etc. These are the biodegradable waste. What is non-biodegradable waste? The waste that does not broken down naturally over a long period of time, that is known as non-biodegradable waste. It may consist of inorganic waste that cannot be broken down into a similar particles by the action of decomposer. These non-biodegradable waste are managed by 3 R's, that is reducing, reusing and recycling. For example, we can see this waste like plastic, thermocols and glasses, etc. Let us see the needs of waste management. The process of controlling waste and reducing the effects of waste on environment, that is known as waste management. Here are the 3 waste management, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. Let us study one by one. Reduce. We should reduce the waste production by reducing the usage of paper where it is not necessary. Adapt to digital papers for information to save, read and write, so that to reduce the paper waste. Reduce the usage of personal motor vehicles. Instead, use the public transport to reduce the gaseous waste from the vehicles. Reuse. Making use of same material or thing for multiple time for different purpose reduce the waste products. By using single time and discard the things, there is a produce of waste. Reuse the things such as plastic containers, metal tins and glass bottles for jam and pickles after consuming them. for storing of different materials. So these are the things that can be reused. Recycle. Recycling is the process of making new and usable products from the waste material. Materials that cannot be reusable can be recycled, such as paper, glass, plastic, metals, and electronic waste can be recycled. Recycling products should be kept separated so that these materials are taken to the recycling factors. Here are some examples you can see here. Vermicomposting. Another type of composting involves red worms, which are called red ringles instead of fungi and bacteria. Red worms is added to the organic waste inside the compost. These red worms break down the organic waste into the soil-like materials, so they are called as vermicompost. Here you can see the biogas. How this biogas is produced? They use the product like cow dung and buffalo dung and agriculture waste remaining that are added in a closed container and kept unseparated for some time. In the absence of oxygen, waste is decomposed in a closed container by the action of microorganisms to produce a much mixture of various gases. This is how biogas is produced. The main constituents of biogas is methane, which acts as an excellent fuel, and this biogas is only produced in a biogas plants. This was short and brief explanation of our environment. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.